Summer travel is literally knocking on the door, and as a girl who travels extensively and lives for the right travel gear, I figured it was time that we did a review of two travel backpacks that are probably the most infamous popular bags on the market right now, and that is Calpak's travel backpack and Béis's new travel backpack that comes with wheels. I have thoughts on both of these. This bag I've been using for probably 3 or 4 years, and to be honest, I haven't actually traveled with this one yet, but I'm so intrigued because my biggest qualm with the Calpak backpack is that she gets really heavy really quickly, and I just don't always want to carry her around all the time. Let's get into the specs and the details. Up first, let's talk about the Calpak. This is the Terra 26-liter duffel backpack in obsidian, and I have really loved this backpack. It served me very, very well, and I actually bought it because another one of our tried and true Mom Edit members, Laura, raved about this bag a while ago, and if you want to see her review, you can check out this video over here or over here, wherever it is on the screen. But she was the person who actually inspired me to get this bag, and I honestly have zero regrets over buying it. It's made of recycled polyester, has a 17-inch laptop compartment, so it fits the largest size MacBook if you have that one. And in terms of dimensions, it is 18 inches in height, 12 inches across, and it has a 7.5-inch depth. So it is ever so slightly smaller than the Béis bag. Obviously, it does not have wheels. It has no hardware in it, so it's completely malleable, and it is not quite as structured as the Béis backpack. But what I really love about this in particular is that it opens just like a suitcase, so you can fill it with all of the belongings that you have inside, exactly in the same way that the Béis does. But this one in particular, I feel like has a lot more secret components, storage, and pockets all throughout the entire bag. You can carry it on its side. It does come with the strap that you can put over your shoulder if you kind of like to travel that way. And it does also fit over the top of your luggage as well. So if you're carrying a carry-on luggage or a checked bag, when you have the two pieces together, this works incredibly. And honestly, it would probably be my preferred choice. However, if you're a person who is like me and you tend to check your bag and you don't bring a roller carry-on with you in addition to the backpack, that's when this can become really heavy and cumbersome on your back. So I love that this has so many storage components. It feels like an incredibly sturdy bag. I like the material. It's really served me well. It's just that sometimes I don't want to carry it on my back. Let's talk about the Béis Pro Travel Backpack. Right off the bat, this is a much more substantial backpack than the Calpak. It's way more structured. It actually has a metal frame. It's completely made out of nylon, and it definitely feels very, very durable. This is in the color Flame, and it is extremely vibrant, even more so in person than what you're likely seeing on camera. So maybe go with a more neutral color if you're not looking to stand out during travel. It feels more like a travel luggage piece that just happens to also be a backpack versus being a backpack first. It's not as malleable and it's much more structured. But obviously the things that make it feel more structured and require it to have a metal frame is the fact that it has a handle and that it rolls, which we love. The specs of this are an 18-inch length, 12-inch height, and it has almost an 8-inch depth, so it is slightly larger than the Calpak. It also has a lot of really interesting pockets, compartments, areas where you can store things, which I think is really important when you're thinking about a backpack piece. And I really like that Béis really paid attention to every single detail. Perfect example, my mom always likes to lock her zippers together, and this one actually has a built-in lock component so that you can keep these locked together, so that if you're walking with this on your back, no one's gonna be able to unzip it and take all of your belongings outside. And I think that those details are what make the price point of this quite a bit more than the Calpak. Truly, I don't think you could go wrong with either bag. I think it's just a matter of preference of the type of traveler that you are. If you're a person who maybe doesn't pack as heavily as I do, who is really looking for an additional piece to add to your carry-on roller bag, the Calpak might be the better option for you. However, if you're a person who is looking for a carry-on that can also double as a rollable travel piece, then the Béis is going to be the way to go. But let me know in the comments whether you've tried either of these bags. And as always, everything will be linked in the description. If you have any questions, let me know. Bye.